It's your girl Ashley, and I just made it back from London. I've got to say, your girl is under the weather, and I am extremely tired. And I guess that's because of jet lag, which I didn't have when I was in London. I guess because my adrenaline was going, I was excited. I couldn't believe I was there. I'm still shocked I made it to London. But I put together a little video of me arriving to the Heathrow airport from New York. That was a 7 hour flight, no connections. I kind of got lost in the airport. Well, technically speaking, now I know I didn't. Now I know Terminal 2 and 3 will take you to the underground and you can go anywhere you need to go. But at first, I didn't know that. So I was walking towards Terminal 3 and was like, wait, hold on. No, I'm going the wrong way. And I doubled back and went to Terminal 2 to catch the underground. But experience is the best teacher. I had to learn on my own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video I put together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And your girl will be uploading next week. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope you enjoy this video I put together. Bye, fam. Thank you for the safe flight.
That's your body cam?
Yes. Finally made it. Okay. Okay, I made it to the Heathrow airport in London. And now I am about to take the tube. Exit straight ahead. This is a nice airport. It's very simple, no confusion so far. Well, I did have like a little issue putting my passport in like the little scan thing. I don't have to go through customs. Yeah, it's pretty simple, easy to navigate through. Luggage, napkins. Okay, I'm looking for terminal 3.
Caution, on exiting the conveyor, do not
Definitely going the wrong way. Definitely going the wrong way. Nope. I finally made it to London. See?